open the whiskey water. So first, we open. Then we get out the ball very carefully.
Going to be giving an address to the U.S. in a little over an hour from now. At least that's what he announced. But based on what you're seeing,
Pause. The feet. Okay, now we're gonna open it. Wow, she looks pretty.
I didn't touch you.
I didn't touch it. My auntie gave it, so I'm just gonna put it on the sofa.
Oh, it could actually sit.
And I'm gonna let it sit down. And there's no on. And bye.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. I just say bye.
Bye.